Wear chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection every time you clean a restroom. Choose gloves made of nitrile or butyl material for chemical resistance and change them when torn or contaminated. Avoid latex if you or clients have allergies. Use splash-resistant goggles or a face shield whenever you pour, mix, or spray disinfectants so you protect the eyes from splashes and aerosolized droplets. Wear a disposable or washable face mask rated for particulate filtration when dealing with dust, sweeping, or when using aerosolizing sprays. If solvents or strong fumes are present, upgrade to a respirator with appropriate cartridges for organic vapors and particulates. Put on long-sleeved, water-resistant clothing or a disposable coverall to prevent skin contact with splashes and contaminated surfaces, and remove outer layers before leaving the job area to avoid cross-contamination. Always use closed-toe, slip-resistant shoes, and consider chemical-resistant boot covers in high-splash scenarios to protect feet and improve traction on wet floors. Establish a donning and doffing routine, wash hands, put on garments from cleanest to dirtiest, remove contaminated items carefully, and perform hand hygiene immediately after glove removal. Most people forget to check compatibility between gloves and the specific cleaning chemicals they use, which can lead to breakthrough and skin exposure. Consult chemical safety data sheets and choose gloves rated for those compounds. Another common issue is inadequate eye protection when pouring or transferring liquids, which causes injuries from unexpected splashes. Keep goggles on until all mixing and transfer tasks are complete and clean them after each use. A third frequent problem is cross-contamination from reusable PPE or clothing taken home after work. Prevent this by keeping a dedicated change area, storing used items in sealed bags, and laundering work clothing separately. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home maintenance topics like restroom cleaning safety, helping us find local professionals for jobs and letting contractors bid on work. We also run a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.